Welcome. We're on the banks of the River Ribble, as fucking per usual. It's a bit crap, to tell you the truth. There's a lot of people on the bank, and I mean a lot, a hell of a lot. Anyway, it's freezing cold, it's not fantastic, the fish are not really on it. There's fish there, we've had a few dace, we've had a few roach. So we'll go through the rigs and stuff, fishing with Danny and Azzer. I don't know if you can see him on screen over there. Let's have a look. Anyway, we'll go through the setup because there's no flow on the water today, so it seems quite a good idea to fish the waggler. So what we've got today is cadence CS7 4000, 5 pound mono, and we're on the IM9 Drennen 14-foot rod. And on the rigs today, just to sort of like and try and encourage some bites, we'll set it up, we'll show you now. We have the DH, Dave Harrel 5 AAA wag, and what we've done is we've split the bulks. We did have it on full bulk before, but it's airy fairy, so there's a little bulk there, I don't know if you can see that, and then we've got double there, and then we start getting single 8s all the way down till we get to the hook length. There's about 6-inch spacing on each one. So that airy fairy rig is actually pulling fish, but it's hard work, I'm telling you. Anyway, I'll show you what we're doing. We just plenty of bait going out, keep feeding it, hope for the best, fingers crossed. I reckon I've already gone through about 3 pound maggot today. Feathering it in as it goes in. Because of that airy fairy, we don't want any tangles. Right straight over it, shot really precisely. Just about tripping bottom. I've been putting the ball ground bait in every now and then. The bites have been delicate. Taking a lot of care to feather that float in at the last minute, just to make sure we don't get any tangles, because there's a lot of shot going on there and it's a big cast. Fishing with a 14 drennan red maggot hook, micro-barbed one again. 3.5 pound line on it, whatever it is. Well, I'm not letting it trot through for too long, I'm trying to keep it as tight as possible. Pretty certain what bait I'm putting out there is getting to the bottom and staying there. There's not enough flow on it to take it away. Pike's had hold of that one. Keep that bait flowing. Even if you're not getting bites, just keep it going. A few maggots, a little bit of corn in there.
I just lost that. 2-1 back.
Quite clear.
Got that one.
Right.
I can pull the socks up.
Pull your socks up. Right, end of the session. It's not that easy actually. It's still a bit shit. Sorry, start again. Can't use the word shit, can I? Yeah, it's been an atrocious session today. Love fishing. Fishing gives you every sensation you need apart from sex. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Nice fish, cracking roach, hybrid, oh, where's that big dace? Some nice big dace. Oh look, big dace, big dace, big dace, oh look, big dace, big dace, big dace, roach, some nice big dace. Oh look, big dace, 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 big dace. Not bad, eh? Right, we go. Swim, swim, swim. Right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Catch you later.